Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another video for you today. And if you watched yesterday's video, this is actually, I just started recording right after we finished up that one. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you should go check it out. We kind of messed up the ending of that video. Anyway, today is a new day as far as videos are concerned, and we're going to start picking what sold for us today.
Yeah, okay. Box AI. We see. This is a pair of, I think it's pronounced Onzi, but I'm not positive.
Onzi.
Anyhow, you'll see how it's written on the screen, but yeah. I bought these leggings retail arbitrage for $10, sold them on eBay for $33.96 plus shipping, so not too bad. They sold, I'd say, in just over a month probably. It's not super fast flip, decently fast. Alright, we'll do a floral mailer. Gotta make room for more florals since I ordered 2 packs of the newest.
From Shipping Hip?
The new Shipping Hip stuff. All right. All right, this is a pair of like Clark's heeled booties. I paid $6.50, sold for $40 with discount shipping on Poshmark. So nice little sale. Yeah. So that means they accepted the Posher VA offer that had went out. Those should fit in a medium flat rate. Okay, box of BH. Oh, this actually, I was just telling Chris about this.
Oh, yeah.
So these are Crocs, but what I was telling him was I woke up to a message this morning asking, so you can see they have a tag. It's not like it's just like the warning tag. Like it doesn't have the actual name tag. They're not in a box. They don't have a dusk. Sometimes Crocs would come in like a little plastic Ziploc bag or something. Anyways, since it didn't have any of those, I listed them as like excellent pre-owned condition, even though the tag is attached. Because I'm not trying to list them as new. I mean, they have slight dust on them. You know, they were clearly stored with other shoes at some point. So anyway, she was just asking if, you know, like...
She being a different person, not the buyer.
On eBay, not the person that actually ended up buying them, but on eBay, somebody had asked that question, again, in the middle of the night. They were on the other side of the world, so it was probably not the middle of the night to them. So anyways, by the time I answered their question this morning, you know, I just said, you know, they look just like the pictures. They are new with that tag attached. However, I listed them as pre-owned because they've been stored with other shoes. So anyways, then I would want to say less than an hour after I wrote back, somebody else bought them on Mercari for $30. Plus they paid shipping. So I had $6.99 into the shoes, but then just before we started recording, the first eBay person wrote back and said, well, that's pretty unfair.
Because there was another exchange where they weren't available for her to buy, right?
Well, that's because I ended them.
Right, because you ended the listing.
So then she couldn't find them.
Right.
So she probably got my first message like several hours later. Maybe she's at work or something. So then I was just like, stop. I can't help that. I mean, I get that people don't understand that cross-posting exists maybe.
Right. So she was confused
because her message was a little rude to me. So
yeah, she had some confusion. Because they weren't available for her to buy when she wanted to buy because they had already sold on Mercari. So she sent a message, and then you responded saying, "Yeah, they sold on a cross post. Sorry, you missed it," kind of thing. And then she's like, "Oh, that's unfair," or something like that. Like she was owed dibs or something. Yeah,
dibs on my Crocs.
So
anyhow, glad they sold. Actually, they sold for more on Mercari than she would have bought them for on eBay. So I'm actually very glad about that. What am I looking for? Flip-flop. Oh, another pair of Crocs.
So those were going in a floral mailer. I don't know if I might have been talking over you while you were saying that.
So these Crocs are just like a kid's flip-flop. Paid $5.26, sold for $17.81 plus shipping. These have actually been listed a while, and I don't think it has anything to do with anything other than I think I listed them kind of after summertime. So now that we're coming back to warm season, I think that's why they're selling.
Yeah. Yeah, and you'll notice in the back, things have gotten a little bit cleaner. We've...
Trying.
Yeah. Getting...
Yeah, so we're still working through the stuff that we did that big haul of last week.
Yeah.
So I think that the title was something like, what? Can we list this all in a week? We probably could have, but last week just ended up being stressful and we didn't.
Yeah.
So now we're finishing that this week, but I haven't brought anything new. So that's
It was so stressful because of this guy. Look at this guy. Look at the stress he brings upon us. All right, so we were just about to pick the next item, and I got a call. And I do record on my cell phone, and anytime I get a call, it just cuts the video. So I don't know where we were, so we're just gonna start that one again. You didn't even really get to talk about it anyway, so.
Yeah, I sold this thingy. It's kind of been hanging out. I don't know if I'd call it a death file because we got through my death file, right, a few months ago.
Yeah.
Anyways, but this came from the bins after we finished that death file, and then I kind of just set it in a bin for months for no reason at all, other than it was just out of the norm of what I'm listing, so I like never took photos of it. But it's like a brand new, like, what is this? Comfort wrap, microwavable, just something for the end of the day.
Oh, is this like one of those rice things?
Yeah, like put on your shoulders. Oh my gosh, put on your shoulders. I think hot, cold, lavender, chamomile. So,
okay,
something like that, spa type thing. But yeah, it sold in one day after I actually listed it. I had $1.01 into it for my bins cost of goods. Sold for $16.96 plus shipping, so not too bad. That is fairly heavy though, so it's going out in a padded flat rate.
Padded flat rate.
Yeah. All right, got a viewer sale box tea. Actually, well, I'm happy that this is going to Viviana, but I'm sad because I really loved this sweatshirt.
The good vibes sweater.
It just felt like it was never like, I don't know. I just didn't like love how it looked on me, I guess. But it's really soft and it's like a nice stretchy fabric, which I love. I might try to look for another one in a different size. So, anyhow, Viviana bought it from me for $20. She offered and I accepted. So thank you so much, Viviana. I hope you love it.
Yeah.
I definitely loved it. So,
Viviana, thank you so much for that support. Hope you enjoy the good vibes.
Yeah. All right, CZ, where we at? Okay. This is the Anu, or however you want to say that, brand. AHNU.
AHNU, yeah.
So these I actually got while we were in Utah, I believe, because the cost of goods was random. So somewhere between $7 to $8 is, yeah, because like I added the tax based on what I had Googled their tax rate to be, but anyways, it's not making sense in my brain because it's not normal.
Right.
Anyhow, let's say we paid $8 for these, sold for $39.95 plus shipping, so not too bad. They are under a pound, so I'm just going to go out in a mailer. Okay, DD. I'm actually losing money on this sale.
Wow, that doesn't happen too often.
Maybe that can be the title of the video.
Oh, what?
How much money did I lose on this item?
I'm gonna say less than $1, maybe.
It's I didn't actually calculate it. It's less than $3, but more than $2. So
between $2 and $3.
Yeah. However, again, this is Wild Fox, but this came in that mystery box I bought a while back where I kept, I don't know, 1 or 2 pieces. So I guess if you think about it that way, I didn't lose money because I did get a nice hoodie to wear for a while. But since I had averaged out my cost of goods, including the one I kept, they came out to like $12 and some change each. And then I accepted a $10. Well, someone asked if I would take 10 on Facebook, and I said yes. So they paid shipping, and yeah, so like 12, maybe right about $3 losing on it then.
Yeah.
But the reason I said yes is because like it has like a really bad fabric defect.
Yeah, like a.
Yeah.
See, it's like a hashtag. Or
so it was, I mean, the box was sold to me as like, you know, a lot of the tags were cut out and could have flaws or stuff like that. So unworn, but have flaws.
Yeah, you were aware of the possibility when it wasn't like.
And it was a cheap box, so, well, it was cheap overall, I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, for what potentially could have came in it. But anyhow, yeah, overall, I've probably made back. I think I sold 3 or 4 pieces and probably made back at least 30. I think the box was in the $50 range and I kept 2 pieces, so.
Okay.
It's not a terrible loss. Okay. Lastly, actually very happy to see these sold because they've been listed a while. They're a little pair of like Nike LeBron But they're like a water shoe, which I thought was cool. And now I'm wondering if they're even like glow in the dark on the soles, because those look like glow in the dark soles. So anyhow, had these been in my kid's size, I would have kept them. They're pretty cool. They kind of remind me of a native, but they look more secure and stuff. Anyhow, I did pay $807 for these. That was my average cost of goods. I think I bought these like along with a snow boot haul, so that's why it was kind of high from Once Upon a Child, because I averaged everything out. But they sold for $25 plus shipping, so took a long time, but I did make a decent little profit off of them. And yeah, what mailer? Oh, I like using little woodland mailers for kids stuff. All right, there we go.
All right.
Good so far. Let me check. Yep, I don't see any new ones.
So yeah, let's get this stuff packed up. It is going on. It's about 3:30, 3:20. Our kids get out of school at 3:40. So we'll check back in. I don't think we're gonna have any other sales, but we're gonna
today or tomorrow. Are we gonna check back in today?
Yeah. No, we're gonna do it today. Yeah. We'll be right back. We're gonna get that stuff packed up. All righty. Record time. That took like 5 minutes.
Sales, though. I wanted to pop back in with another.
Yeah.
So. Yeah, that was an easy shipping day for sure. Yeah,
I love these easy shipping days when it's just pack and go.
And I love that I got all my work done, so I don't have to. It's 3:20, well 3:30 now, but got my work done. So just gotta pick up the kids, and that's it for today. So it's a pretty good day.
Yeah. So yeah, even though we kind of missed out recording a little bit of our video yesterday, closing it out, that time was used well, I guess, right? So it caused today to be a little bit less stressful, which is always nice when we can reduce our stress as much as we can. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. I think that's going to do it for today. We're going to call it. You guys want to say bye to Reese? You want to close it out? You want a treat? Yeah, I'll wake you up. There you go.
Got some carrots. I guess that's a treat for you.
Oh, good boy.
Here's another one.
Good boy. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
You can get it. It's okay.
Get it, Reese.
You can get it.
Get it.
Good boy.
Oh, good boy. Good boy.